Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix predecessor game crashing at startup, not launching, not loading, black screen, lagging, freezing, low FPS issue on PC. So let's go through it. So the first method is to restart your PC as well as Steam. So for that, go to Steam. Now click on Steam option over here, then click on exit. After this, click on Windows icon or start option, then click on power, then select restart. So this will restart your system. After restarting, now launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next is to play the game using play predecessors option. So for that, go to Steam and under library section select your game and then click on play option over here. And here you can see you will get two options. You simply need to select play predecessors and then click on play, and after that check if the problem is fixed and you can easily play the game without any further problem. If not, next method is to update graphics cards. For that, go to the search option, search for device manager. After that, go below expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will search if there is any update available for your drivers. Once done, now launch the game and check if it helps. NVIDIA and AMD users can go through the link that I have provided in the description and update their graphics card, and after that try to launch the game and see if it's working or not. If not, next solution is to modify launch options. For that, go to the library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on general and here you need to type -dx11 and then launch the game and see if it's working or not. If not, then type -dx12 and after that try to launch the game and see if it helps to fix the issue. If not, next is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, you are suggested to go to the search option, search for Windows Defender Firewall. Now click on allow an app or feature, then click on change settings, and here you need to check or search for the game if it's listed over here. So in my case it's already listed. If not, then click on allow another app, then click on browse and go to the game folder where your game has been installed. After adding it, now select your game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. So after doing this, check if the issue is fixed. Next is to run game as administrator. So for that, or launch Steam, select your game under library section, click on manage, then click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where it has been installed. Select the game application. Now right click on it, click on properties, then click on compatibility, and here you need to select run this program as an administrator and then hit on apply and OK. Now try to launch the game and check if it helps. If not, click on run this program in compatibility mode 4, select Windows 8 or Windows 7 and then try to launch the game and check if this resolves the problem. If not, click on disable full screen optimizations and then hit on apply and OK, and after that launch the game to see if it resolves the problem. Next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library sections, right click on it, click on properties, then click on install files, and here you need to click on verify integrity of game files. So after verifying the game files, now launch the game and see if it helps to fix the problem. Next is to update Windows. So make sure your Windows is updated. For that, go to the search option, search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you should check if any update is available and you need to simply click on check for updates option that you will get from here. In my case, I have a update, so I have to download and install it, and once done, now check if the issue is fixed or not. Next is to run game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the search option, search for graphic settings. Now here you need to search for the game if it's listed over here. If not, then click on add desktop app, then go to the game folder where it has been installed. Here, then yes, the game is here. Simply you need to select it and add it to the list. So after adding it, go below and search for your game. Here it is. You need to click on the arrow icon, then under GPU preference you need to select high performance, and after that launch the game and see if it helps to fix the issue. If not, next is to disable in-game overlays. So for that, go to Steam users need to click on Steam option, then click on settings. After that, click on in-game. and here this option will be enabled by default, so you need to simply click on it to disable it, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not. For GeForce Experience, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general and then switch off in-game overlay option from here. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab and switch off enable in-game overlay option. After this, try to launch the game and check if it's working or not. If not, next is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already given this link in the description. Just go through it, open it and download and install the Visual C++ files on your PC. After that, restart your system once and then log into the game and check if it can play without any further problem. If the problem still exists, then it's time to reinstall the game. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, then click on uninstall and finally click on uninstall option. So once your game is uninstalled, restart your PC. After restarting, now launch Steam and again reinstall the game and then try to launch the game and see if it's working now. So these are few suggested solutions to fix predecessor's game not launching, crashing or showing other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.